Part 2 of messing with our cats.
What if you don't go with them?
Dude, they're going crazy. They're doing donuts.
Is your Amanda over there?
Shut up.
No, really.
You're a loser, Leah.
Really? You want music?
No, you loser.
All your stuff's ready.
Alright.
Stop. Turn that Miley Cyrus crap off.
Where are you going? Want to get a shower?
Come on, man. Get them out of there. You're not doing nothing.
2 hours to get a shower? I thought you were going to get a date.
Let's restart. Because Aaliyah got in it and all. And I want to be in the video.
Not in the video. And now they're going to hear us talking about not being in the video. You stupid retard.
Oh, Chris had on her.
Like Zuzu Patch one.
Did you see it?
No.
I was like, who the fuck? What?
I am. Go get this one Zuzu pet and make it.